Assalamualaikum guys, this is Pat, and yes guys, I was getting a lot of messages on Snapchat and Instagram to do a daily foundation routine. I know कि मैंने पहले कर दी थी Snapchat पे एक स्टोरी बना के, लेकिन आपको तो पता है कि लाइक वो स्नैप स्टोरी तो लाइक एक दिन की होती है और फिर उसके बाद वो चली जाती है. और लाइक मैं काफ़ी देर चाहती थी मैं मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल करूँ कि काफ़ी देर हो गई that I haven't done a makeup tutorial and I really wanted to do it. So yes guys, yay, let's get started. Hello guys, so the first thing I'm going to be using is a primer. So for primer, I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish primers. I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit, just like teeny tiny. Okay, I guess this is enough. Okay, so for the foundation, I'm going to be using my Lancome Idol Wear. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my hand first. It's really thick guys, like बहुत thick है और इसकी full coverage है. So इसलिए like बहुत like मैं बहुत कम use करती हूँ अगर मैंने use करनी भी होती है. ये बहुत thick है. I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender and blend this in. So yes guys, blending is all done. So I did my brows pehle because it's really hard to do my brows on camera because बहुत thick है और बहुत time लगता है. So for my brows I used Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. ये बहुत amazing है, मैं हमेशा से यही use करते हैं. पहले वो use करती थी The Benefit का brow pencil, but it just didn't work for me, so I don't use that anymore. So yes guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use concealer. So for concealer I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. So guys, you don't have to use concealer on your lids. I just use it because I have a lot of discoloration, like बहुत अजीब discoloration वगैरह है. So I just use this concealer to just make it even. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender again and blend. Yay! So yes guys, blending the concealer is all done. I'm not going to be using any bronzer because I prefer a blush over bronzer. Like I use a bronzer like if I'm doing like a really nice eye makeup, but I'm not gonna do that because it's just like my everyday foundation routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my NARS blush in Orgasm, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So I use like a lot of blush every day, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a lot of this. So yes guys, like a lot, but मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, पागल मैं. यूज़ करते हैं, आप लोगों को तो यूज़ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लाइक अगर आप लाइक इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, आप ब्राउनर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक आप कुछ भी यूज़ करते हैं जो आप लोगों को लाइक सूटेबल लगता है. मुझे ब्लश सूटेबल लगता है तो मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग इज आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड यूज एल्फ मेकअप मिस्ट एंड सेट. ये बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत इट्स लाइक वेरी चीप. आई थिंक इट्स फॉर $3, लाइक $3 का, दैट्स इट. और ये बहुत अमेजिंग है लाइक फॉर ड्यूई मेकअप, और लाइक इफ यू वांट टू सेट योर मेकअप, आप मेकअप भी सेट इससे कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो लाइक यूज इट फॉर ड्यूई लुक. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड यूज इट फॉर बोथ. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on myself. This is so much fun. Like this spray can is like my favorite part. So the next thing I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna go ahead and use this Anastasia Amrezi highlighter. This is so amazing guys, like you need to like get your hands on this because it's amazing. Like ye check karein zara. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe fan brush and just gonna put this on because I really want to glow guys. I'm like a really big highlighter junkie. Highlighter junkies, like I don't know, I'm like pagal with over highlighter. So yes, oh my god guys, look at the glow. I'm like, wow, I love this. I feel like I'm putting on too much, but why not? It's like so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the other side. Guys, बहुत amazing है. I'm gonna go ahead and use some on my nose, but not too much. Whoa, this is so nice. My nose is glowing like बहुत ज़्यादा. एक दफ़ा, oh my god, look at my nose, guys. एक दफ़ा मुझे किसी ने Snapchat पे कहा that my nose beams a lot, and I just find it really funny. And yes, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner. And for that, I'm gonna be using my Morphe E36. This is like a really teeny tiny brush, and I just use it for my inner corner because it's like, it's really teeny tiny. Like बहुत ज़्यादा teeny tiny है. So the next thing I'm gonna, this is like the second last part. Like I don't do like a lot like every day. So next thing is I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Where is my lash curl? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and yes. So yes, guys, mascara is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my favorite two colors, Dohi by Colourpop and Calabasas by Jeffree Star. These are my favorite. So yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use these two. Yes, guys, so ये हो गया है done. And yes, guys, this is my makeup routine, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope this was helpful for you guys, because and if you really want me to do like more makeup tutorials and stuff, then do give me suggestions on some like makeup looks, and just do comment down below and suggest me and give me feedback. And yes, guys, hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, watch, and subscribe. Yay! And yes, guys, this was it, and love you guys. I love it.